Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Diabetic Toolbox, where we are on a mission to end type 2 diabetes one family at a time through education, support, and empowerment. I'm your host, emotional eating and diabetes lifestyle coach and yoga teacher, Renee Reid. And on this show, we share tools and tips to help you manage your blood sugar and lose weight without starving yourself or spending hours a day in the gym. Yesterday, we talked about why fad diets don't work and why a balanced plate is a better and healthier path. Today, I want to dive into the number one mistake I see women with prediabetes making at mealtime and how you can avoid it. The mistake, you might be asking, what is it? Well, I'm glad you asked. The mistake is skipping protein. Here's the truth. Most women don't eat enough protein, whether they're managing prediabetes, type 2 diabetes, or just trying to be healthy. They don't eat enough, especially at breakfast and lunch. We might grab a slice of toast, a muffin, or a quick bowl of cereal and call it a meal. The problem is that when we eat those carbs without protein, they spike your blood sugar. And when your blood sugar spikes, it always crashes. What happens then? You feel tired, moody, and craving more sugar. This roller coaster keeps you stuck in old habits no matter how hard you try to stop. So, what do you do instead? Eat more protein. Why? Because protein is your blood sugar's best friend. It slows down digestion, balances your energy, and it helps you feel fuller longer. It is going to make your belly full so that you don't get hungry sooner than you would like. And when you feel satisfied, you're less likely to overeat later in the day. Think of it like this. If carbs are the firewood, protein is the log that keeps the fire burning instead of flaring up and burning out. Sorry, kids, I had to use that. So, how do you fix it? Well, here's my challenge for you today. At every meal, I want you to ask yourself, where is my protein? It doesn't have to be complicated. You can have eggs or Greek yogurt at breakfast, chicken, beans, or tuna at lunch, fish, turkey, or lean beef at dinner. And when you start to add this protein to your meals, you are going to be amazed at how steady and energized you feel because you will start building every plate with protein in mind. All right, my friend, that is all I have for you today. Tomorrow, we're going to talk about how to enjoy carbs because carbs are not the enemy without the guilt, and why you don't have to give them up to manage your blood sugar. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this episode gave you more confidence to plan your meals with joy. And if you are ready, download your Balanced Plate Planner. It's packed with recipes and a 7-day meal plan that will show you exactly how to build protein-packed meals for yourself and your whole family. You can get your free copy by clicking the link in the show notes. Well, until next time, take care of yourself and each other. Bye for now.